Welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own, very own volcano eruption. Yeah, you can do that with your kids. It's going to be so cool. All you need is clay, recyclable cola bottle, and a base. And you can use aluminum as a base, and the solution, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, right? And of course the vinegar. Okay, let's get started. I'll show you how to go about doing this. Okay, so to make a volcano, you need a soft drink bottle, plastic bottle like this one here. Okay, I'm going to cut them. You need a long plastic tube. It's called tube shots, right? You get it for a couple of dollars for, I think, let's see, about 15 of them for $2. At least that's what I got for. I wish I could get more of it because I don't see it on sale anymore. You need a base as well, so you need a cardboard, and you want to put something on top of the cardboard to keep it water resistant. So I usually use aluminum. Okay. You need hot glue. Okay, I'll show you why you need that in a minute. And of course, lastly, you need the clay. You need 2 packs of this, about 1,000 grams or 2.2 pound worth of clay. So each one, 500 grams for example, is worth $1.25. This natural modeling clay. So you need 2 of them. It'll cost you about $2.50 for 2. Okay, so about a kilo of clay. We're gonna make a volcano. We got to make it realistic as possible, so you can invest a little bit of money. Okay, so other than these 2, which cost a little bit of money, probably altogether this project will cost you about $2.70 or something like that. Okay, so let's get started. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to cut the plastic bottle. Now I use a drill to create a hole, then I can get my scissor inside this. Okay, so again, you want to cut it about somewhere the curve ends, so somewhere here. Okay, so do that. There we go. Okay. And then you need a scissors to open that up. You see that? So you just create a little hole so that you can cut, use the scissors to cut around it like this. Okay, so you get something like that. And then the other end, now you want to use a long tube to see how much plastic you have to cut out. So you notice here I'll hot glue the long plastic tube inside that. And the reason you want to do that is because the reaction will occur in these tubing, right? And then if you seal it really tight along here with a hot glue, the reaction will come out. So in other words, the foaming, the bubbling look like volcano reaction, right, coming out from here. So make sure it's tightly sealed. Now again, you want to make sure, find out how much you need to cut. Okay, so according to the long tube, I probably need to cut about here, this much. Okay, so let's do that. This is pretty good. I'm going to use this for another project of mine. Ooh, yeah. Okay. That'll be another project. Ooh, sticky. Yeah, I don't like stickiness. Okay, so I'm going to hot glue the long tube and put it right on the nozzle, or the top opening of the plastic bottle, like that. Okay. Now before I do that, let's make the base. Leave that alone. Wait till the hot glue warm up. Okay, so let's make the base. So I just need a cardboard. This is a piece of cardboard, and we're just gonna fold it. Okay, so the hot glue is pretty hot. Now what I want to do, okay, keep that there. I'm gonna put the hot glue around the rim of the tube like this. You know, you want to put a lot of it. Okay, so once the hot glue is cooled down, it's hardened and we're ready to tape the two bottom and top plastic bottle. Now I would recommend using a duct tape, okay, depending, you know, how you want to seal your plastic. Now I made the mistake, but I should have cut it less than more. Okay, but it's okay. We're gonna apply. I mean, the reason I'm doing this is to give it structure. You see, we're gonna give it structure. So what the kids are going to do is they're going to put the clay around this model. This is like a framework model for the mountain, right? Okay, so we're going to test out our volcano. First thing I want to do is add baking soda solution, right? Sodium bicarbonate solution. So here is already mixed. You want to pour that in first. To close to the top. This is why you have to have a good seal, because you don't want to leak there. It's just about that much. Okay. And then what you want to do is to add vinegar. Now make sure if it's kids, you want to dilute that, okay? And you may want to add food coloring to make it have this special effect. And you know, you can always add some other label other than say, oh, this is a formula to make the volcano come erupt. There we go. And voila! Woo! Look at that, huh? Look at that, huh? Cool. Okay.